Magnetic Comforter. So this is used, it's pretty much like it looks like any other comforter you would have, but it has some of those health and wellness benefits to still be comfortable while you sleep, but still improve your sleep and your wellness while you sleep so you can wake up more energized, rejuvenated, all of that. So let's open it up. And this comes in, I don't know which size this is, we'll find out in a second, but it comes in a twin size version or a junior. For a full size bed, we have one of those, queen size and king size. So it's gonna fit your bed perfectly. I'm not sure which one this is, but we're gonna find out in just a second. This is no, let's open it up and we'll see how big it is, and that can tell us which version it is. But again, it comes in twin, full, queen, and king size comforters. And this is the cotton one as well. So I like cotton. It's very, very comfortable, very soft. So this is it. And you can just see how fluffy and comfortable it looks right here. So I'm going to tell you a bit more about it. So let me just unfold it a bit, just so you can see. Super, super comfortable. I wish I could go to bed right now using this thing. So you can see this looks like it must be like a twin size twin size full bed, or twin junior size bed. And what we do is we have it's not just cotton, but it is our tourmaline fiber. So I mentioned tourmaline before. It's one of our gemstones we use in a lot of our products. But with this, obviously is not like a gemstone in there, but what we do is we grind it up to when it's a nano powder. So the gemstones are grinded up, and then we turn them into fibers. And then we layer that. It literally looks like fibers. You put that in the blanket, and that delivers the same benefits you would get just from having like the literal stone right next to you. But since there's tourmaline fibers in the mat, in the blanket, you can get those benefits while you sleep. And it's like if you show this to anyone on the street and said this came from a gemstone, they'd be like, oh, I don't know, it's a comforter. But it's there. It's really there. And then we also blend that with cotton for that additional layer of comfort too. It's really great. And this one, I believe, yeah, this one is just the tourmaline fiber one. We have ones with magnets in them. And how the tourmaline fiber works pretty much is tourmaline is very good for circulation in the body, really relaxing. Again, it's really good for your energies. So basically the tourmaline gemstones in general create a shield around the body, which helps prevent any negative energy. So when you're sleeping and you have that kind of shield, it literally is a shield too, around the body. It helps protect from any negative energy that might be, interfering with your sleep. If you have trouble sleeping, this is a great solution for it. Totally natural too. All of our therapies in general are natural. That's our whole philosophy, based on the idea of improving wellness, improving, whether it's pain, stress, anxiety, sleep, all in a natural way. So this helps it do that as well. And it's super comfortable too. Again, I could sleep on this right now. Gotta wait a little bit though. So that pretty much does it for today. Again, all of the products I showed you are having a 20% off free shipping deal on Amazon. Click on the links below. You'll see the product listings. Click on them. Check the box for the discount. You're going to get 20% off and free shipping. Take advantage while you can of that. We don't do this every day, but for you, our favorite special viewers, we're doing that special deal for you just because we're really thankful for you joining us and watching us. And be sure, again, follow our webpage on Amazon or Amazon webpage. Click that follow button. You'll see updates for our future live streams. You'll see me. We'll be doing future promotions, deals. So definitely be sure to follow us on our Amazon webpage. And if you have any questions, give us a call at our number, our customer service line, or email us at support@healthyline.com. You can find that all on our website. And go to our Amazon webpage to see everything we offer.